Hey y'all, it's Dillon King again with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am here I'm in Baton Rouge today. We've got a 3-bedroom, I believe it's a 1-bath. There is a door that's closed on me that I can't get into to confirm. But yeah, one of the brothers from the family has let me in. It's a distressed house. No one's living here right now. It's vacant. They want to get it off their hands. There is some issues here. Obviously I can tell there's some kind of moisture issues going on in some of the areas. But really, it's nothing too crazy. It's distressed. It's outdated, I could probably tell they didn't really want to do any work on this themselves, and they're just ready to get it off of their hands. So they contacted us. And how they contacted us was how you can contact us, and that is to go on homebuyerlouisiana.com and fill out a survey there. It'll tell us a little bit about you, how to get in touch with you, and a little bit about the property that is causing you headaches, or the property that maybe you're just ready to get rid of, and maybe you're a burnt out landlord, whatever it is. Maybe there is many hands in the pot, just depending on how much family is in with you on this property. Whatever it may be, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill the form out there, and we will get in touch with you ASAP, because we buy houses in all conditions, fast and for cash. All right, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Dillon King here again. I am in Baton Rouge today.